Plumbing and electrical issues are not only common but also have the potential to cause significant disruptions and even hazards in both residential and commercial settings. Consider the impact of a burst pipe or malfunctioning electrical system in a home. Beyond the inconvenience of disrupted water or power supply, such issues can lead to extensive property damage, posing serious safety risks to occupants. In essence, the problem we are trying to solve with our app goes beyond mere inconvenience. It addresses fundamental needs for safety, functionality, and peace of mind. By providing a seamless platform for connecting users with skilled professionals, we are not only simplifying the process or resolving plumbing and electrical issues, but also contributing to the overall well-being and security of individuals and communities.
Our business solution, Taptech, an app centered around plumbing and electrical services, offers a comprehensive and efficient way to address the critical needs of users facing plumbing and electrical issues. At the core of our solution is a seamless connection between users and skilled professionals. Through our user-friendly app, individuals and businesses can quickly and easily access a network of licensed plumbers and electricians in the area. Taptech, in summary, revolutionizes the way plumbing and electrical services are accessed and delivered by leveraging technology to connect users with skilled professionals.
Our competitive advantage lies in our innovative approach to addressing the needs of both users and service providers in the plumbing and electrical industry. Unlike traditional methods, Taptech combines cutting-edge technology with a deep understanding of the intricacies of these trades, offering a comprehensive solution that no other company has successfully implemented.
Our revenue generation model is built on a commission-based structure, which offers a win-win scenario for both users and service providers utilizing our platform. We pride ourselves on our innovative approach to solving problems. By combining our deep industry knowledge with cutting-edge technology, we have developed a platform that addresses critical pain points and provides practical solutions for users and service providers alike.
Above all, we are driven by a shared passion of making a positive impact in the plumbing and electrical services industry. We are dedicated to our mission of providing reliable, convenient, and transparent services to our users.